Hello everyone and welcome back. I am here today with two guests, Mike from Everyday Barbecue and David from Adrenaline Barbecue Company. Both are here today to work on the new Slow N Sear Kamado that Dave's company provides. And we're going to do some cooks today, some pork chops, some pizzas, some wings, and some other sides and dishes and stuff. And we're going to have a fun day today. Dave's going to teach us how to properly use this thing. Mike is here to also help assist and cook and eat as well. So thank you for coming, Mike.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
You bet. Thank you for coming, Dave.
Thank you for having me as well.
Awesome. I'm looking forward to the day. It's going to be a great day, awesome day, homebrew, food, sunshine. What's there not to like?
Can't beat it. It's a beautiful day.
Let's do it.
Beautiful
All right,
day.
let's do it, guys. Rub it in, right? Okay, I'm going to say a little something to the camera here. Hey, everybody, we're down in, where am I? My basement.
Cave.
Down in the man cave. First time for these guys down here.
How many man caves does this man have? This is at least
This
the
is
second
the
one.
second one I've seen at least so
Yeah,
far, right?
and he took us through that other floor so quickly. This might be a third. So how many man caves do you actually have?
Well, it depends on what you define by man cave. This half of the downstairs is man cave A.
Okay.
Behind you is my home theater, which is Man Cave B. Man Cave C is what you first saw, which is my garage, which you all see from my brewing videos most of the time, and don't have a D yet.
Well, the beautiful patio is kind of a D.
The patio's a D.
So what's your what number's your favorite?
I prefer outdoors. I prefer my patio.
All right.
So
Okay.
D, number D.
D, but in the fall and in winter and all that, it's not so easy to be outside when it's 10 below zero. You know. So.
Yeah.
I know the feeling.
I brought these guys down here to try some of the homebrew while the food's cooking outside on the SNS Kamado. I have some beer mugs behind Mike, if you wouldn't mind, do the honors. There's 3 BEER-N-BBQ by Larry mugs in there.
One,
1,
2, and
Thank you, sir.
3.
2, and 3. All right. And in case you don't know, I have a few more on sale. Just reach out to me and I'll let you know what they cost. They're about $15 for my cost, and about the cost of shipping to you, which could be whatever it is where you live. So if you're interested, get a hold of me. All right. Who's poison here? What would you like?
I'm a good one. Words are hard. English brown for me.
English
sir.
brown ale?
Whatever you pour me.
All right. Well, we'll be right back. All right. Hey, and we're back. We just killed the keg of brown ale, so I didn't get a full pour. He got most of a full pour, and he got basically a full pour. But this is it, man. So enjoy the last of my brown ale. This means I have to brew more beer.
You're a generous man, sir.
Yep.
Thank you.
Cheers.
They killed the keg and we haven't even started drinking yet.
Salute.
Salute.
for a few hours.
Mix over here that are above the slow, but the ones on the indirect zone, it's useful because
Put a shade over this thing. Here, we back up a little bit. There we go.
Yeah, I don't know if we get it, but we'll see.
I'll tell you what. I'll take a picture on the camera.
There we go.
Ready? Set. Picture. Saved.
Wow, man,
That's good stuff.
that's really good. That's perfect. You don't need you don't need anything more.
All right, excellent. Thank you.
That's really good. And I'm more focused on the grill. Yeah.
spin these around. Back on the heat. See where I already got a little color going? Oh yeah,
Oh, tender.
Wow.
Okay, so that's the sous vide. This is the smoked. Oh, tender. Oh, man.
Oh, that's beautiful, man. I gotta tell you, the smoked one to me is making my
The
mouth
winner?
go a little bit more.
Yeah.
I gotta taste them. So we just got done eating, and we can go around the table and give our thoughts. The corn is 4 thumbs up. I only have 2 to visualize, but it's 4 thumbs up. You've got to do. You got to do that corn, people. That was good stuff.
Corn was crazy good.
Corn was awesome.
Yeah, and it's from a previous video where he shows the entire recipe. Definitely got to do it. The baked potatoes, just the crispiness of the skin, I was a big fan. The pork chops were, obviously the star of the show. Is usually the protein, although I don't know, maybe it was the corn. It was really good. I'm going to go on the record, say I preferred the smoked chop to the sous vide and seared chop. I like the smoky flavor. I think they were equally tender. I just got more flavor from the smoked chop. So that's my opinion.
Well, if that's my opinion, which you haven't, but I'll voice it anyway.
Well, I figured you're going to talk up. All day long, we've not had a problem with that. So.
I actually like them both. Again, if I didn't know which was which before I ate them, I may have not even known which one was which.
Yeah.
Knowing that I knew what they were, initially I thought I liked the sous vide style because I thought it was a little bit juicier but lacked the smoke flavor. The indirect ones were still tender and juicy too, and they had smoke flavor. So if I were to do this again and do a blind taste test, I don't think I would even notice the difference, honestly. But now that I've had 2 whole pieces of each, I actually think I do like the indirect version better.
I have to go with the smoked. I mean, I would say that the sous vide may have been slightly more juicy, but I prefer the smoke flavor, and those were still plenty juicy. Just more flavor to me. I have to agree with what you said. I just got more flavor, but they were both outstanding. There's no way that you would not eat either. And corn, unbelievably good. Larry had some homemade sourdough here.
Oh yeah, the sourdough,
which was just really good too. I mean, I'm really stuffed, so I don't even know how we're gonna do this second round of food.
Well, yeah.
I may have said reverse seared on the indirect chops, but all we did was smoke them.
Right.
Yeah,
there was no sear. It was just high heat indirect.
Yeah, straight smoke all the way.
Straight smoke.
Yeah.
We planned to do the reverse sear, but we liked the progress of them so well as they were coming along. We said, we'll just let them finish up, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
and I think they turned out wonderful.
Yeah,
There was a good bark on the outside too, even without the searing process. Yeah.
And you too can reproduce this as well at home. Like you said, I got a video on the corn. I actually have a video on how to do baked potatoes this way as well. I have a video on how to do the sourdough bread, and now we have a video on the pork chops. So you too can reproduce this meal at home, except for the beer. That's mine.
Yeah. And how cool was the multi-level cooking that we did?
That was awesome. The entire ability to like spin this thing around, which Dave has shown on numerous videos already, but he was showing us some interesting stuff here. You can add with the multi-tier elevated rack, the way the basket's positioned, you can actually get up to about 4 different heat zones in this thing.
Zones, yeah.
And we took advantage of, I think, just about all of them at some point during this day's lunch, cook, whatever we were doing.
Well, and the proof is in the fact that everything was so damn good. So.
Yeah. So now what's next? We're going to reconfigure this thing for dinner?
I guess. Right now?
No.
More cooking.
More
cooking.
I can't.
Cooking.
Yeah, the idea of eating right now,
Yeah, just
I'm
not
kind of
appealing.
stuffed. I mean, always appealing, but I just don't think I can handle it. But give me a couple hours, and I think I'll be ready for some Chicago-style pizza and some wings.
Maybe
Doing that
another
as
one
well.
of these in the meantime.
Cheers,
Salute.
brothers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Awesome day.
Stay tuned for part 2 of our day. We make dinner. Hot wings and pizza. Gotta love it. See you then.